Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Linda. On today's recipe we are making meat pies. Please, I want to use the opportunity to thank all my subscribers. I so much appreciate, and to all the viewers that will view this video, if you find this video very interesting, please do well to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again. So let's go ahead and start prepping. We are starting by preparing our meat for the meat pie. I'm using food processor to grind it with onions. So after grinding it, it comes out like this. Yes, this is a very nice texture for a minced meat for meat pie. So we start by placing our pots on heat, adding little oil like 3 tablespoons, adding chopped onions, saute it for some minutes, then add the beef. After adding the beef, we saute it for till it's brown. It might take like 2 minutes or so. When it's brown, add all the seasoning you are using. Here I'm adding seasoning cube. I added salt, curry powder, ginger and garlic paste. So after that, you add a little bit of water, stir it well and cover it to cook. When it's done for like 5 minutes, you add your chopped carrots. I did not add Irish potato yet because I did not want to add it. I'm only making use of carrots today. So after that, add a little bit of water to enable it to cook. Here I'm making a constant slurry so that it can thicken the sauce. So after you add this for 1 minute, turn off your stove and the meat pie filling is ready. So we go ahead and start preparing the meat pie crust. Here I'm measuring the flour and adding the margarine. Here I'm using margarine, very cold margarine. Please note your margarine and all the liquids you use for this crust must be very cold. After mixing the margarine with the flour, it should look like a bread crumbs, just like this. So after that, I grated some nutmeg inside it, like 1 tablespoon. I added some sugar. Please, all the measurements will be in the description box. I added a little bit of salt and 1 egg, and I'm using a very cold milk instead of water. You can use water if you choose. So add your liquid little by little so that your dough will not be so soft. When the dough is nice and good, when it has come together and formed a very good nice dough, I divided it into 2 and cover it with a plastic wrap and put inside the fridge while the filling is getting cold. So here the filling is very cold now and ready to use. Why I'm dividing this dough like this is because I can roll a portion at a time. Reason is when you roll all the doughs at the same time and you don't make use of all of them and you continue rolling and rolling, it will make your meat pie crust to be very hard. So it's advisable to go this way. I'm using a dumpling, plastic dumpling, meat pie dumpling to mold my meat pie, and I use water to seal it up, as you can see. So we are going to repeat this for like 2 more. So after repeating 2 more times, we'll brush our meat pie with egg wash it with egg. I added little milk. The milk I remain from the dough mixture. Please, if you find this video very useful, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So after, as this is going on, I've already turned my oven on to preheat it. So I'm going to bake this for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes, let's see. Okay, look at that. Look at that. So that is it. The meat pie is ready. This is after 30 minutes and the taste is so nice. Thank you for watching.